Here at Lemon Locksmith, we provide an antique lock repair and restoration service. We can repair heritage locks or vintage padlocks. If you have an old-fashioned lock and it's valuable and you don't want to throw it away, you want it to be working, and we can repair the original fittings. We are a professional locksmith company and we specialise in refurbishing old locks such as Victorian locks, antique locks. We can repair the followers inside and the springs, and we can hand make new keys to your locks for your antique lock.